Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to get your Sonos Arc set up with your TV. So we've got the TV right above right here, and this is just an entertainment console this is sitting on. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and plug the HDMI cord into the back of the TV. If you have a CEC HDMI port, that's the one that you're going to want to plug into because that's going to allow two-way communication between your Sonos Arc and your TV. So if you have one specifically labeled for that, go ahead and plug it in there. If you don't, just plug it into one of the other available HDMI ports. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now that we have the other end of the HDMI connected to the TV, let's go ahead and connect the HDMI to the Sonos Arc. Now, if you look on the back of the device, there are two ports, and we're just going to go ahead and plug in the HDMI like so. Now we've got the power cord left, and we're going to plug the power cord in the other side of the Sonos Arc. Now, before you plug your Sonos into the wall, it's a good idea to open up the Sonos app, and if you haven't already done so, create a Sonos account, a username and password. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the Sonos now. Once it's plugged in, a light will appear on the device, and the reason that you want to have the Sonos app open is because the device, the Sonos Arc, will appear on the Sonos app after a little bit if you have the app open, and it just makes setup a little bit easier. There our Sonos Arc popped up on our device, and we just click add. Now it says press the button on the Sonos Arc that's playing the chime. On the back of the Sonos device, there's the infinity button. Go ahead and press that down, and that will connect it to your phone. So we're going to reach around, and we're just going to go ahead and press the infinity button. It says connecting to your Sonos Arc. Now it's connecting our Sonos Arc to our Wi-Fi network. If you already have Sonos devices, it'll automatically use that username and password for your existing Wi-Fi network. You don't need to enter it. If you don't have any other Sonos devices, you're going to need to select the network and enter the information as requested. Now the app displays where are you putting your Sonos Arc. So we're just going to go ahead and select one of these options. We'll click Media Room and put Continue in. It says adding your Sonos Arc to Media Room. It says your Sonos Arc has been added. You can continue personalizing in settings, so we're going to go ahead and click Done here. And now it's going to ask us to connect to our TV. So let's go ahead and click Connect TV. Now it says turn on your TV, then plug in the HDMI cable to the HDMI Arc port. We've already done that, so we just click Connected to Arc. It says Sonos Arc is now connected to your TV, so we just go ahead and click Done. Now our Sonos amp is connected, so let's just go ahead and let's see if we can use this here. Media Room, we select that, and now we can play some music. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up your Sonos Arc. If you want to learn more about the Sonos Arc or how you can use it as part of a surround sound system, go ahead and check the links below so we can show you how to do that. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.